What is up, everybody, and welcome back. Day 3, the day, Bmw Invasion, Orlando. Today is gonna be the best day of them all that we've had down here. Every day has been great. I don't want to go home. I love Florida. Orlando just hits different. I don't know, you know, being a North Carolina boy, this weather just does it for me. But guys, it's supposed to rain today. I'm gonna do my best to get content in the rain, but as you can see back there, it looks pretty rough. I'm waiting for everybody to wake up now. Good morning, John.
What's up, buddy?
You tired?
A little tired, yeah.
A little worn out.
Getting there, but good to go for today at least. Got some nice, beautiful rain outside. Yeah, but
I woke up at 6:30.
I woke up at 6:30.
I woke up at 6:30. Fell back asleep till 7:39. And then I was like, shit, everybody left me.
I won't lie, guys. I know I've been very energetic in all the other videos for this trip. Today, I'm starting to feel it. It's catching up to me. You tired yet? Today is the day, guys. The day that we came down here for. I am trying to be enthusiastic, but I am tired. What you got for the chat this morning?
I gotta get some food and then I got something for the chat.
Alright, cool.
Go watch my TikTok.
Go follow that shit now. Yo, all my Florida people, what's up with the horns, man? If you're not waiting to fucking launch from a red light, as soon as it turns green, people will honk their horn at you. In North Carolina, you might throw hands over honking the horn. That's like a last resort type of thing. We have arrived, everybody, and the line is long. Go, John. I want this guy in his fucking Audi to pull in front of. Sorry, buddy. This is BMW insanity, dude. They're literally everywhere.
Dude, okay, let's think about this. If I was in the E30 right now, it'd be stop and go in manual, ass. It'd be raining, no wipers, awful. I don't even think I would have made it.
Yeah.
To the actual meet. I would have gone to the pre-meet, but in this weather, I don't think I would have made it.
Such a nice car.
Alright. If it was a Hellcat, I would have been mad. But.
No, I was just like, it just scared me, bro, because I didn't know where it was coming from.
Dude, these people are just trying to shop.
They're just trying to be normal human beings, and we're just all, you have the biggest dickhead fest of the year.
Yeah.
You gotta love the BMWs. Go ahead, old fart. Nice car, man.
You too, bro.
Hey, thank you, I appreciate it. The city of Orlando has a Maserati police car. How does
And they have a fake taxi.
Let me know, Chad. Does the rain kill the vibe today? I don't know. I hope not. I've showed it a couple times, that white E92, I think. That is a nice car. Like, the E92 just looks amazing. And it's always gonna look amazing. Yo, chat, what do you think about this JDM E46? Tokyo boys. We are here, everybody. Oh, that is so sick. I can't get over this one. Adro is just on top right now. Like,
This is insane. Oh my god.
this right here, dude. Oh, it's got VT forged on it. I love these wheels. Dude, how do you like these wheels? I thought about getting those. They're like those HREs I like, but they're actually way cheaper. Yo. Guys, what if I got the new M2, but like in the blue color? That's very similar to Yasmina Blue.
What?
I just want people to get the level of insanity that this is, dude. All M cars, and they come from all around the world, so. Dude. This car is literally perfect. GT4 front splitter. So aggressive though. I would destroy that on my car. Oh. Dude. Crazy. That is insane, dude. I don't know how this works, but like the E36 M3 style wing, like on the new M2, the car being so modern, and then like this being a retro thing, and then like the throwback HRE version of the E36 M3 wheels. I don't know, but retro and modern works so good on this car. It works so good on this car. This is one of my favorite cars here, no doubt. Mediocre M4 GTS from Raleigh. See this car on Instagram a lot. This is what my wing would look like with the normal risers. The 1M clone in person. The 1M clone doesn't disappoint in person. I'd love to stand out in the rain all day, guys, and show you everything, but it's kind of cold. We're going inside. Yeah, Parker, your E36 looks good, but I don't know, man. On rotiforms and wide body. Costs more than the G82 M4 CSL.
Fucking deceit garage.
Dude, this thing is insane. E30 Parker.
The E30 you can do right here. Next up. Hold on to E30.
Laguna Seca E46 wagon. Guys, the want for an E92 M3 is real. Add an E92 with the F80, that is like one of my dreams. I love the way they look, they're so timeless.
G87's next.
Me and John are getting G87 M2s. Yeah guys, so I didn't do YouTube last year, but my car was in here while it was basically stopped. Don't know how that happened, but it did. Shout out to the homie F80 Ho. He didn't tell nobody, but he got his HREs refinished in a nice gold color. They pop on the black. Beautiful car, man. Showstopper in person, no doubt. Oh, what's up, dude?
Hey, what up, Mark? What's up?
Good, how about you?
Dude, the car looks insane, man.
Bro, you look insane, dog.
Hey, man, I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Put in the old can to use.
Yes.
Make sure you guys drop a like on my boy's channel. This is go right here. Dude,
I love this camera. Life-changing shit, man.
that shit
Like,
got me through 3 years of YouTube. All the things on Instagram.
you got the new one now.
I got the new one, but you're taking good care of it. You be posting like hella now.
I know.
Proud of you.
Yep. Dude, I'm glad I finally got to meet you. The car looks insane.
I'm gonna get you on the vlog too.
Yes, sir. Eldridge's car looks super good.
This is what the M4 should have been.
Dude, yes. Custom seat badges. Eldridge knocked it out of the park with this car. Dude, this color.
What?
This color.
Oh my god.
It really is.
This might be. Oh wow. This might be the best drop top.
Dude, the interior.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Parker, oh my god, dude.
This is insane.
They're speaking to me, man. RK Titanium, shout out to RK Titanium. Great products. As you guys know, I have RK on the F80. So, flex. Right now on the floor.
So this one,
You gotta see that exhaust,
there's
son.
literally no mid pipes or anything.
Dude, it's probably so loud.
But this one and the other one, too fast. That's fucking nuts.
The money that people spend on such a new car is crazy, man. I thought I was bad for spending money on my car. Yeah, right.
Is that my car?
That's your car.
What in the world?
They're making money off of you, bro. Buy it, buy it, buy it.
Hell no.
Forte, Porsche man now, Porsche man now.
Greg's car.
Yo, we got that Kanye West rain jacket. That shit, $8,000.
Exclusive, one of one. Yeezy edition.
I'm trying to get it. I'm not fucking tall enough.
What are we looking at right now?
I think Jake's NRP.
So this is the Vorsteiner G87.
Vorsteiner G87.
Vorsteiner. Hey, look, we made it, Mom.
We got E92 Trevor right here.
E92 Trevor and F80 Trevor, baby.
This is crazy. What a time to be here.
Guys, I really wanted to do something cool today with the content. We're sitting in the car, me, Parker, Hunter. The rain really killed it, man. It's like my camera's spazzing out every now and then. It's kind of scaring me. Can't break out the drone, can't break out the gimbal. It's still been a cool day. Still got to talk to a lot of you guys, but I don't know, there's just so many cars here and I feel like I can't highlight it with this rain. And it really puts me off as far as wanting to work. So, what do you got to say, Hunter?
I mean, inside was dope.
Inside
Not
is
gonna
dope. Inside's dope. But
outside, didn't really get to see too much, obviously.
yeah,
But yeah, shit happens.
Hunter's gonna start a YouTube channel, and he has an insane E46 M3 and a pretty stock M340i he could go in on
For
if he
now.
wants to. Look, I've got an
We'll see what
M3.
happens.
I've got an M340i owner in my car. We fucking love each other.
Do we though?
Yes, yes. Shh, shh.
Love you.
We're homies, and look, he knows that I don't dislike those cars. You guys gotta chill out on me. Look, we're in enemy waters right here. I got another 340 owner in the back.
B58 on top.
I mean, low key, if you're trying to build a race car, it do be on top.
All right.
Adro is just killing the game, man. Shout out to Donuts and Wheels.
Yeah, let me.
Awesome merch, awesome quality merch. You know I had to get the hoodie. So you'll be on YouTube later. They're all the way from LA. All the way from LA?
All the way from LA.
Yeah. Drove all the way here.
That's crazy.
That is so cool.
Thank you guys so much.
No, thank you. Love you. Bye.
Oh, I just got Parker a free shirt. All you gotta do is tell him you're famous, dude.
Well, you know, I wasn't gonna be that guy, but Trevor was like very nonchalant. He was like, yeah, this guy's kind of famous. And then I showed her my Instagram and TikTok, and she said, yo, give me my shirt.
Yo, just listen to Trevor. He gets you the hookup.
I was like, wow.
Just listen to me, bro. I'll get you the hookup.
Dude,
the rain has kind of went off a little bit.
I have not seen it.
Those are the wheels I want on the F80, dude.
What's up, bro?
Finding Nick all the way in Florida, man.
Dude, it's crazy.
Long way.
Here, bro.
Dude, it's
That's tight.
it's so nice to meet you, man.
you, bro. Nice to
Big
meet you,
inspiration to me, bro.
Thank you, dude.
Yep.
I
Thank
appreciate
you, bro.
that.
Thank you.
This is like the second best color to LSB.
Dude,
I agree completely.
I don't care what y'all say. I met Finding Nick and got him on the vlog. It's just crazy, bro. I wish I could find KG, bro. His buddy Kevin, he has a new vlog as well.
He had a shirt on. I saw him.
They say Rich on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to find him, bro. I was gonna say Rich.
Dude, no, he was with him. Back whenever I talked to
Oh, I was about to say, I know I didn't see him back there.
other two guys. This thing looks menacing.
They both look freaking mean, dude. Oh man, the new M2 has just like made such an impact on me at this trip, man. I want the new M2 so bad. Another M2, man. On BBS's too. I'm such a fan, dude.
Zero burp, like it has a little burp, but when it's on E, that is annoying to me. That's like when it's on E.
Greg crazy, man. All right, everybody, so we are officially leaving Bmw Invasion. It's been a pretty damn good time. Like, the last hour of this show made it completely worth it. What do you think, Parker?
It was amazing.
Did you have a good time?
Such a good idea to come here.
Yeah. I mean, I think it was eye-opening for both of us. Like,
100%. Seeing all these builds and realizing that we need G87s. And now we're gonna get some food, and it's gonna be a great rest of the day.
Where are we getting food at?
That's a great question.
We just had Chick-fil-A. Always smacking, always hitting. Thank you for Chick-fil-A. Hey, look, there's my wife.
So boys, alright. So boys.
All right, everybody, so we made it back home from Bmw Invasion. Rained all day, crazy weather, it's cold. I probably look like a madman with my hair right now. My camera's about to die, and I'm tired. So look, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We're gonna vlog the trip home, of course. Anyways, catch you in the next one, peace.